Lumilapit kahit ako gano'n ka sa malalandi Pilipino mga taga-Marikina. Veneers reveal, B. Hindi pa siya nakabitan, B. Temporary pa lang to. Temporary veneers pa lang siya. So, hindi pa to yung actual na ilalagay sa akin. Makapal pa to. Parang temporary lang. Literal, hindi pa to. Hindi pa. Makapal pa to. Asan si blue? Sa color. Nakakapagod din yung biyahe kahit puro tulog ako. Di pa ako kumain. Wala akong nararamdamang gutom. Di ko alam bakit. Malungkot ba ako? Hindi naman na. Nabusog ako sa crispy pata. Hindi pa kasi ito yung hindi pa to yung totoong kulay. Hindi pa to yung ngipin talaga. Para pa siyang hindi pa siyang ngipin. Nakalive po si Ate Bianca sa TikTok. Okay? Mga chicks na malapit kahit saan ako dumay. Alam nila kung gano'n ako katigas ha. Gaji, bakit mo ba inaano yung mga ko? Huwag mo. Lower teeth. B mostly kasi veneers sa upper lang. How much veneers? This is free for me. So, ganito kasi yan. Ganito yan kahaba. Dati, dito lang yan. Yan. Maiksi lang siya before. So, ang gusto ko kasi, mahaba. Parang ganun. Parang, kahit hindi ko na hindi ko na masyadong ibuka, kita siya, ganun. Dapat pantay ang puti ng ngipin mo. Hindi pa puto yung, tunay talaga. Kasi, kaya, babalik pa ako doon. Kasi nga, it takes a lot of time para ihulma yung ngipin bago nila ikabit. Kaya, hindi siya kaya today. So, binigyan akong temporary veneers para maramdaman ko kung ano yung pakiramdam ng may veneers, and then para makita ko kung gusto ko ba siya throughout my mga pang-araw-araw. Masakit malaman sa Quezon ng dentist mo. Doon kasi ex-deal kasi siya, kaya yun. Kesa naman kasi ang originally yung mga veneers umaabot yan ng 6 digits. Umaabot niya ng 100K. So, ang galing din kasi ni Doc. Kasi, ako, gusto ko yung bunny teeth, pero hindi ko kasi alam kung bagay sa akin. So, ang ginawa niya, pag ganun siya. Nakikita niya, mahaba dito, paliit dito. Yun, kasi daw, kapag ganun yung ngipin mo, parang nakasmile na yung ngipin mo. Parang pangiti na siya, masaya yung ngipin, ganun. Di ba pati ngipin pala sumasaya, hindi ko alam. So, ayun siya. Temporary pa lang to, guys. Ang dami pa niyang, ang dami pang floss neto. Di pantay kulay, ganun. Babe, Nika, where you at? So, ayun. Literal. Pwede ko pang alisin to natatanggal to I mean, nakadikit siya ngayon, pero matatanggal siya. Temporary lang. Para lang maramdaman ko. Para na mas appreciate ko siya. Kasi ganito yung ilalagay. Pero mas manipis dito. Tsaka mas ngipin. Tapos yung gaspang halatang peke How much price ng veneers? Depende po sa veneers yan. Kasi merong mga porcelain, meron composite, merong direct. Ito kasi composite veneer siya. So, yung porcelain kasi alam ko yun yung sinishave. Sinishave nila. Tapos, magiging pirana, ganun. Ilang years ang veneers. Depende sa alaga mo. Pero once kasi na nagpa-veneers ka na, habang buhay na siyang maintenance. Ganon. Like, yun. Pero kasi itong composite veneers, ang sabi ni Doc, pag gusto kong alisin, pwede siyang alisin. Ganon. Pwede ka nga magpa-brace habang naka-veneers eh. Pero yung porcelain kasi, once na tatanggal yun, manipis na ngipin mo, so kailangan ng kabitan. Ito pwede siyang mawala. Papa-veneers ka. Naka-temporary na. So, kakabitan to sa next week. Actually, bet ko siya. Bet ko yung idea. Tingin ng smile. Kita niyo yun? Hoy, Lini. Permanent na kasi yung veneers. Permanent na siya, so maintenance na siya. Magkano yan? Hindi ko alam. Diba ang cute nung smile kasi pati yung ngipin, naka-smile na. Naka-ganon. Kita niyo ba yung smile ko dati? Alam niyo ba't ako nagpa-veneers? Tingnan niyo to. Tingnan sa baba. Yan. Yung mga butas. Hindi ako ng ganon. Tapos hindi kasi ako naalagaan ng maayos nung dentist ko before, kaya ang pangit ng bite ko. Baka nga magpa-braces ako eh. Pero pinantay ni Doc. Bet ko siya. I feel confident. Kung totoo na. Hindi kasi siya totoo, kaya ang pangit-pangit tignan eh. Coffee na. Di ako pwede mag-coffee. Asan ka na, Cassandra? Grabe. Taga natin hindi nagkita. Grade ano pa yun? Grade 11 pa yun? Tips nga paano matuto ng Japanese language. Malamang mag-aaral ka. Bagay ka sa akin. Sige na nga. Pakrown ka na lang sa baba. Hindi ko alam, baka ipabrace ko yun sa baba. Uwi ka Pampanga kasi. Uwi ako niyan. Kikita niyo ba ako? Ang laki ng ngipin. Ganyan po talaga ang magandang ngipin. Ang medyo malaki. Depende kasi sa mukha yan. May mga iba bagay yung maliit eh. Gusto ko malaki. Yun o, yung parang gumanong ka lang. Kita na yung ngipin mo. Pero hindi pa to yun. Mag-OA. Ano masasabi mo sa mga bashers nito? Oo naman, paramdam ka lang. Set tayo kaya. What if mag-reunion kaya? Let's go! Bunny teeth. Bunny teeth, hindi siya bunny teeth eh. Ang bunny teeth kasi mas mahaba. Masakit ba? Hindi. Nakakangalay lang kasi nakagalang ka. Tapos merong pinapasok sa ano mo na nakaka-ick. Yung cute! Hindi, pero aanuhin pa yung kulay nito. If we never try, how will we know? Ganda ng lips, ang ganda pa ng teeth, wala naman humahalik. Ilang days yan bago palitan. Next week pa kasi ako available, so syempre habang wala ako, aayusin yung ngipin, parang isi-shape na siya ng maayos para pagdating ko doon, kakabitan na lang. Matagal kasi ang veneers, guys. If hihintayin ko yan, aabot ako ng mga 3 to 5 hours. Hindi na kaya ng Ang sakit ng 3 years, pero pinalitan lang ako ng 3 hours. Are we talking about teeth? Nagpapa-veneers ako, sabi, wag na daw, pustiso na lang. Alam mo, gawin mo kung anong gusto mo. Huwag mo ngayon yung mga ibang tao na hindi dapat mo ganyan. Yan mo. Yung dentist ko nga, sabi niya, pagkatanggal ng braces ko, pwede ka na magpa-veneers. Nag-braces pa ako. Yung dati mo bang ngipin tinanggal pag nagpa-veneers? Pag porcelain, doon ka aanohin, doon gagawing tirana yung ngipin mo. Pero yung composite kasi, didikitan lang talaga. Composite parang, ano siya, permanent na siya, pero mas, walang masyadong gagalawin sa ngipin mo. We never try, how will we know? Psst, Gaji. Ito, bis ka na. Kunin mo yung damit mo. Mag-blow ka naman. Kunin mo yung damit mo na. Blow ha? Mag-blow ka. Iga na ikaw. Matutulog na eh. Matutulog na yan eh. Perfume scent suggestion po. Yung perfume, siguro, yung mga para sa mga spa, ganun, mga eucalyptus, eucalyptus, ganun. Gusto mo yun? Pabago mo eucalyptus. Hindi nga, matutulog na ikaw eh. O, higa na. Higa, higa. Higa. Higa na. O, tulog yan, tulog. Higa. Higa na ikaw. Isa. Higa. Isa. Sleep. Sleep na. Ano ba yan? Sleep na. Sleep. Sandal mo na. Sandal ka na. Sleep na. Sleep. Sleep. Sleep ka na. Sleep ka na. Isa. Tutulog na eh. Sleep. Sleep na. Late na oh. Sleep. Sandal ka na. Sandal na ikaw. Sandal na ikaw. Isa. Ayoko na. Magagalit ako. Humiga ka, ha? Pag sinabi kong humiga, higa ka. Huwag ka lang, isa. Tulog. Pag sinabi kong matutok, isa. Ayoko na makulit, Gaji. Hindi na kita papakainin. Ayoko. Tulog. Gusto mong dumede? Padedi ka sa nanay mo. Hanapin mo yung nanay mong aso. Tapos magdedi ka dun. Tulog na yan. Kinakantahan na nga. Aarte pa. Tulog. Tulog na. Gaji Pogi. Wala ka na. Malis ka dyan. Ayaw niya eh. Ako na lang ihiga sa'yo. Ayoko. anong kakainin. Kaso hindi pa ako nagugutom. But when he left her dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Kunin mo yung blue na damit mo. Magsuot ka ng blue, ha? Papalitan natin yung damit mo, no? Blue ka na lang, no? Mag-blue ka. Love mo ako? Love mo si Mommy? Love mo si Mommy? Kiss mo ako. Kiss, kiss. Hindi malikot. Hindi ako malikot. Kunin mo damit mo. Blue. Dali, kulay blue. Yung kulay blue nandun sa ano mo. Nandun, kunin mo yung ano mo. Ano? Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo treats? Gusto mo? Gusto mo to? Yoko. Paghirapan mo. Yoko. No. Bagong damit to, baka isipin nyo, sinuot ko yung damit ko kagabi. Puro puti yung mga nandito sa cabinet ko. Ba't ayaw mamansin? Depende kasi, pag nagpapapansin ka, hindi kita papansinin. Kasi syempre, pa-shout out naman, pansinin mo ako. Ayoko nang ganun. Kung gusto mo mapansin, patawanin mo ako, mag-comment ka ng maayos. Ayun sa bicep. Puno na pampers ni Gaji. Kakapalit lang yan, literal. Wala pang laman yan eh. If we never ang cute. Gwapo ni James. May kasama ka dyan, yes. Po. Wait lang. Maghintay. Maghintay nga eh. Sit in town with the roaches. Andun pagkain mo. Abutin mo, abutin mo. Nag-veneers, temporary lang, kaya malaki siya tignan. Abot mo, abot, abot. Kanina, abot mo. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan, oh. Haharanahin kita. I love you. Diyan ka lang. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, Lydia. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Kaji, manonood tayo ng Too Hot to Handle. Panonoodin natin to, Gaji. Uy! Gusto mo to, Gaji? Ang daming bastos dito, Gaji. Panoorin mo yun. Ayan, oh. Ayan kasi si, ano kasi pangalan niya? Ayun si Catherine. Ayan si Catherine. Ngayon kasi, si Catherine, meron silang something ni Luis. But then, habang tumatagal, nare-realize ni Catherine na parang mas gusto niya si... Sino kasi to? Hala, may chemistry sila. Nakikita mo? Hala, si Charlie. May chemistry sila ni Catherine.
What is happening? What is going on?
Kinikilig ako. Hindi. Si Catherine kasi, gusto niya si Charlie nung una. Kaso si Charlie kasi, mas gusto niya si ano yan. Lo, napapangiti ako. Parang tanga.
Being honest is everything in intimacy. So, I want you to embrace the person in front of you and give them a big ass hug. Just for being there for you, listening to you,
Hala, tingnan mo.
opening up to you.
May something, no?
If
May
you can
something
do this
talaga.
with somebody
Tingin
in
mo.
front of you like this, imagine with the person you're connecting with romantically. I guarantee when this is all said and done, you remember this hug for the rest of your life.
Hala, tingnan mo. Iba na yung yakap nila, no? Nakikita mo ba? Hala. Oh my God. kasi si Demari, di ba nakipag-date siya. Nakipag-date siya kay Valentina. Tapos kasi, hinalikan niya si Valentina. Eh, syempre, nasaktan si Brie. Sinaktan niya si Brie. Tapos ngayon, ang rupok-rupok ni Brie, tinanong kasi ni Chris, do you still have feelings for Demari? Sabi ni Brie, maybe daw. Alam, may bago akong ship. Hala! Nakikita yan ni Lucy yan. Tingnan mo.
What I'm feeling. So I need to talk to Charlie. I need to see if he's serious because this could change everything.
Alright, we're good.
Hala, kinikilig ako!
Began to break down barriers and experience more trust with each other.
Hindi, mas bagay kasi sila talaga eh. Mas bagay talaga sila ni Charlie eh.
I really like Lucy, but
You know.
felt the chemistry, and me and Catherine became closer and closer and closer as the staying to each other's lives carried on.
Gwapo ni Charlie.
I feel like the feelings are definitely reciprocated, but until I speak to Catherine, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
It's honesty really is the best policy.
Grabe!
Will everybody be able to handle the truth when it comes out? I guess we'll find out soon enough.
Because we're not starting with someone that we were romantically involved with, we kind of open up a little bit more because you're not as scared to be as vulnerable.
When looking pretty and trying to ask questions and like still on line, she's still on to me. That's how well I can see.
Wala, hindi mo deserve. Hindi you deserve, no?
And it's just like it's so cute to see that.
How do you find it, Jake?
I definitely felt like it was nice. Jamari was a really good listener.
I think the hug was the best part. I love the hug. It was a sweet moment.
How was your hug with Charlie?
Yeah, Catherine. How was your hug with Charlie?
It was a nice hug, you know, it was a sweet moment. He's a good guy, and you know, he cares about like everybody in his life and stuff. So it was a nice, like, genuine little moment.
Alam na, nakikinig si Lucy niyan.
Catherine and Charlie had such a great time at the workshop. It made me look at him in a really good light.
It was nice, and I was feeling emotional, so like I needed a little hug.
At the workshop, I'm just freaking out about Charlie because he's with Lucy. This is
Oh my
so
gosh,
awkward.
traitor
I need
siya.
some real advice. I genuinely don't know what to do.
This is my Latina longing group, so
We like the gossip and the juicy stuff.
I definitely think like Mark and Catherine was good. I feel like I definitely just got to see a like different side to her. You know what I mean? Whereas like now she's quite a normal person.
She knew I got any lines on it. So it's on it.
That's what has to do, innit?
This workshop has changed.
Hindi. The reason kasi bakit naguguluhan si Catherine. Kasi, wait lang, makinig ka muna kasi para naman ako walang kausap dito eh.
The question is, what?
Para akong walang kausap dito, Gaji eh. Tingnan mo ako. Tingnan mo ako. Tingnan mo ako. Tingnan mo ako, Gaji. Love mo ba ako? The reason why na si Catherine nagda-doubt siya kay Luis. Kasi si Luis, puro L ang inaatupag.
in the beginning I really expected him to work like a lost situation. So yeah, I didn't
Gaji, tayo na lang magkasama, gaganyanin mo pa ako.
really
Porket wala akong kausap.
just see how you feel.
You know, I don't want to hurt Lucy's feelings, but I do want to like talk to Charlie and see like, is he being serious? Like, is this like what is happening?
I just like Charlie's using this just to be like cheeky Charlie, you
I
know.
don't think so. He really means it. Things are about to get spicy over here. See you on the other side.
Guys, panoorin nyo to, ang intense. Sa kanila, sinong bet mo? Sinong bet mo sa kanila, Gaji? May bet ka sa kanila.
See, and just like all these things are happening and shit like that.
I think right now I need my space to think about everything
Totoo yan. Dapat mag-move on siya. Like, wag niya nang balikan yung taong nanakit sa kanya. Ganun. Title, Too Hot to Handle. Ano yung bagong episode, bagong season nila?
She doesn't feel connected to him in a bigger way, and she doesn't think she can be better. And Charlie and Catherine both have like a little more connection, so things are going down tonight.
That's right, Flavia. Things are going down in Too Hot Town. And we have front row seats.
No! No! Wag! Huwag mo kausapin siya.
Clear the air and rekindle things.
Anong season? Season 6 yata to. Wag! Huwag ka marupok! Hindi mo deserve masaktan at balikan.
Oh, well, obviously we're here. I just want to kind of see where you're headed and kind of explain what mine is as well.
Hindi, hinalikan niya si Valentina, di ba?
So,
Traitor talaga yun si Valentina.
I did kiss Valentina.
Oh, di ba?
I apologize for it.
Hindi, sinasabi niya kasi may feeling siya for Brie. Tapos, bakit niya sasabing may feeling siya for Brie kung ano din naman, kung hahalikan niya naman si Valentina? May feelings din tawag doon. Kapag may feeling ka sa ibang tao, hindi ka dapat hahalik ng ibang tao.
Be in a situation where you think it's okay to kiss Valentina.
Diba?
I don't want you to feel like you can have your cake and eat it too. I don't like that.
I understand your frustration, but I feel like we're here to make connections. So, me kissing her doesn't change anything about how I feel about you.
Hindi. Kayo guys, tama ba na kailangan nyo munang humalik ng iba para lang ma-realize na mas mahal niyo yung partner nyo? Hindi ganoon, di ba? Like ano yun, pre-taste, titignan mo anong masarap dito.
Just throw that away.
You don't feel like you just.
Kasi ganun yung ginawa ni Demari. Nung hinalikan daw niya si Valentina, doon daw niya na-realize na mas mahal niya pa si Brie. Ano yan, titikim ka muna bago mo ma-realize yan? Hindi ganun yun. Cheater. Cheater talaga.
That didn't occur to you when you were with her.
Wala, mga palusot. Inuuna kasi yung L.
He doesn't understand that even in this short period of time, I have became very vulnerable with him. I think he's trying to make it more surface
Ano
level.
option? Hindi. Binigyan kasi sila ng... Si Valentina kasi, meron siyang task na kailangan niyang i-seduce si Demari. Tapos, nakakulong kasi si Brie. Like, meron isang room doon na bawal siyang lumabas unless papalabasin siya ni Demari. Kapag si Demari, pinili niyang palabasin si Brie, it means mas pinipili niya si Brie. Ang nangyari, hindi niya pinalabas si Brie. Nakipaghalikan pa siya kay Valentina. So, nagtagal si Brie dun sa banishment room. Ang sakit nun, di ba? Sinasabi ni Demari, I wanna have more time with Valentina. Tapos hinalikan pa niya si Valentina. Ngayon, pagbalik nila ng villa, magka-holding hands sila ni Valentina. Nakikita yun ni Brie. Eh di ang sakit sa part ni Brie yun. Tapos, sinasabi ni Demari na, that kiss didn't change anything from the way I feel from you. Anong klaseng kalokohan yun? Di ba? Na-agree ka? Do you agree with me, Gaji? Do you think that's valid? No, that's not valid. Ngayon, sabi ni Brie, you will regret this, sabi niya. Eh, ngayon, naghahabol naman naghahabol si Demari kasi na-realize niya kung anong nawalan sa kanya.
Big, manly,
Yan.
guns.
Kala mo, ha?
Sorry, where were we? Oh yeah, we still have the little matter of Charlie and Catherine's secret connection, which I have a feeling won't be a secret for long.
Coming into this, like Charlie is like my perfect type on paper. Like I've liked since the beginning.
He's a kind soul.
He was such a nice soul.
My mind feels like
Isa pa to.
Workshop made me realise
Iba-iba yung gusto niya.
it's some unfinished business with me and Catherine. I have to tell her how I feel.
No, you didn't get it.
Lucy's distracted with Gianna and Kylie. I'm gonna go find Catherine.
Ay, tulog ka na.
How do you feel with Louis?
Tulog ka na.
Girl, I like that. I told you, after this workshop, Charlie was saying all these things, and I was like, fuck. Yeah. Like, hey.
Ay!
Oh.
Lo!
You don't see anything?
We need to do this
Tulog
the
ka
right
na.
way. We need to keep it between us for now.
I think you're safe, Charlie. Lucy's got other things on her mind.
Sorry.
Kinikilig ako. Mali to eh.
I know you said these things to me, and I couldn't tell if you were like being serious or not, or just being like cheeky Charlie, or just like saying this because.
Ano, gising ka na?
Nah, you and Louis look like you've got like a good little side, but like after the workshop today, I think I saw like a more vulnerable side to you.
Kiss na lang
I
ako.
thought was really attractive.
Kiss mo na lang. Lo,
And I feel like that's something that I can't just ignore.
kiss mo na lang ako.
Yeah.
Kiss mo na lang ako.
The workshop, I feel like, yeah, I definitely got vulnerable. It was just something that I got through a lot. And doing it with you made me realize, like, oh
Mas
shit,
behave
like,
ka pag ganyan eh, no?
maybe this is like the person that I've been wanting to make a connection with the whole time. Like coming into this retreat, and I thought, oh, I could totally get this guy, and then be like, get Lucy. So it's like, okay, well,
You are like you, but like I think you have a very vivacious and outgoing personality. I think that's kind of like maybe go all right.
Mali ito eh.